Hey guys, this is iPhone X screen replacement. Many of you ask me like how long did this take, because you have uploaded one video which you do it like under 4 minutes and blah blah blah. So here I'm going to show you actually. Keep in mind that this screen had been already replaced, so it's a little bit easier to open, and apparently I found out that one screw was missing from the top, but that's not a problem at all. I mean, the way I'm doing it is like I'm disconnecting the earpiece sensor from the flex, and then I take out the 4 major screws holding the battery and the screen connectors. See, the last one, it's not fully taken, so it's kind of like stay a bit inside, so I'm not taking the whole metal plate. Over there I'm losing some time. So you can see that under 1 minute, or exactly at 1 minute mark, I was able to attach the new screen, and now I'm just putting the screws back, which takes more time than to take them out, obviously. So there is nothing which you have to worry about. If you don't switch off the phone, that's fine. If you don't take out the battery, that's fine. Just mind yourself that after replacing the screen and the battery is not taken, obviously you have to force restart the phone with the keys volume up, volume down, and power button. And this phone was off, like there was no charge in it, so that's not counts for me this time. But anyway, iPhone X, there is nothing bad that can happen to the phone if you don't disconnect the battery. They have like plenty of things which you have to be worried about, but actually they make this phone like really good, so I never had issues with iPhone XS. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. That was the whole procedure. The phone will start charging now and power up. So yeah, see you in the next video then.